In the realm of water sports, a new player, Searider, has made a splash with its latest innovation, the dual-motor electric water bike. Check this thing out. The new venture aims to merge the exhilarating handling of a motorcycle with the high-speed, electrically driven dynamics of a jet ski. The result is the Searider searacer, a cutting-edge personal watercraft that promises a blend of speed, agility, and eco-friendliness. The searacer Searider's flagship model is engineered for speed and fun. It packs a 45 horsepower dual electric motor, propelling it to a top speed of 47.8 miles per hour. While these figures might not shatter the record set by internal combustion engines, they are impressive for an electric jet ski, especially one of its size and weight. The searacer's battery pack is another highlight, offering up to 50 minutes of ride time on a single charge. For those seeking a more relaxed experience, Searider offers the Sea Cruiser. This model is akin to an e-scooter of the seas, featuring a vintage-inspired design. It delivers a respectable top speed of 34 miles per hour and almost double the runtime of the searacer at about 90 minutes. The Sea Cruiser's slightly heavier body at 154 pounds adds to its stability and ease of handling. The searacer is available for pre-order at approximately $30,475 and the Sea Cruiser at $24,860. And finally, happening in this week's What The? Check out this spectacular display. It's comprised of over 600 drones in China, and they all move together to create this amazing animated story. Now, it's an 8-minute video that's available on YouTube. I'll play a couple minutes of it for you, though, right now. Thanks for watching your weekly tech update. If you have a story you think we need to feature on the program, shoot me an email, djraymcneil@gmail.com. Find us on Facebook at Your Weekly Tech Update, and check out the podcast. Audio and video versions available on Google, iTunes, Audio Burst, and elsewhere on the interwebs. Till next time, I'm Ray McNeil. Stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. And now, here's your moment of joy.
head. Quit. Ow, that's my ear.
Your weekly tech update brought to you by Holiday Home Care, Phillip Island, Victoria, Australia. It's your turn to relax. Before you get on holiday on the island, contact Holiday Home Care. We can set up your residence or holiday rental, do the shopping for you, provide linen and towels, and make sure it's all ready by the time you get here, giving you more time to enjoy what Phillip Island has to offer. For more information, visit holidayhomecarepi.com or email holidayhomecarepi@gmail.com.